progeCAD tool palettes. The new tool palettes in the latest progeCAD 2020 version provide an extremely effective method of accessing tools. Tool palettes contain commonly used blocks, hatch patterns, and commands clearly organized and customizable according to the operator needs. To have more flexibility and organization, tool palettes can be docked or left floating within your workspace. The default tool palette categories can be expanded or customized, allowing you to create one for your every need. Creating a set of commands in a tool palette allows you to store most commonly used commands from different ribbons or pull-down menus in one location. You can also save predefined patterns or gradient hatches in your palette and then select a hatch pattern from this palette to quickly fill an area in your drawing. This way reduces the number of mouse clicks you perform, making you more productive. Tool palettes are most commonly used for blocks. Instead of searching through multiple directories or libraries, you can create a palette for each set of blocks. The main advantage is that it's possible to set how to insert a block, to specify a scale, to prompt to rotate, to explode, and so on. These options are held within each block property option, so you can customize blocks as you need without affecting the original block. To add blocks in a palette, you can simply drag and drop them from the drawing area to a tool palette. Finally, CAD users' main objective is to produce accurate, precise drawings and models as quickly and efficiently as possible, and tool palettes can be of great help in achieving that. Download progeCAD and try all the commands and features to create your 2D, 3D CAD drawings. After a free 30-day trial, you can buy a perpetual and affordable license with no annual fee.